Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to get Hotspot if missing on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video so I will teach you the correct ways in order to restore it. So when we head over to our settings right here, and under here on cellular, you can see that I can set up my personal hotspot. However, that will disappear on your phone if you don't have any SIM or cellular data to open. So make sure that you have inserted your SIM or eSIM on your device so in order to use it. So once you've already set it up and added it to your SIM tray, you can set up your personal hotspot by clicking the set up personal hotspot right there. However, as you can see, there's actually an error because we need to enable personal hotspot on this account. We need to contact our SIM card administrator. So it actually depends on the cell plan that your SIM has. So as you can see right now, mine is dependent on Globe, which is a cell plan or cell network provider here in my country. So what we need to do is to contact our cell provider and upgrade our plan in order to set up a personal hotspot. So after you've contacted them, they should fix your issue. And however, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is to just restart your phone by long pressing your power button and signing out and restarting it. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.